This Trooper is relatively quiet compared to Goldie. Yeah, it seems to be running well. And the gates belts are doing their job. Those aren't going to be touched for a long time. And just as a nice little gift to G, check it out. There's the difference. Pretty easy to put on. Cheap. Stainless steel. It's going to look good for a long time. And as far as the original one goes, you can just keep that safe and store it in the box in the back. Let's throw that in there. Here we go. Alright, that took an hour of my time, and unfortunately that belt broke a lot sooner than I thought it was going to. But you know, it's been sitting in the bush for 3 years. Those pulleys are quite rusty. I actually forgot to bring some sandpaper with me. I was just going to clean those off quick. But it's running good. He can get it home. And there's another Trooper with the rubber side down.